Leb Acholi. Welcome back to the show. Chaka Leb Acholi. I'm Jacqueline Kang-Obwolto. This is a segment of Kwan Leb Acholi, which is within the platform of Chaka Leb Acholi. Okay. Please join the live. Like, comment, share. If you'd like to join us as an audience, please send me a message right now. You can leave a comment under this video. Please share on all your platforms and engage with this platform. We are on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. We are also on Facebook as Chaka Leb Acholi. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can watch the full videos and all the recordings. Please also follow our official Facebook page, which is Chaka Leb Acholi. Please note that I also do post these live streams and videos on my personal Facebook platform, which is Chaka Kang, South Sudan. And sometimes I do post snippets also on my TikTok channel, which is Chaka Kang South Sudan. Okay, so guys, yesterday we read about the Buddha people. I'm not going to spend too much time giving you guys a reflection of what we found from that reading. Please go and watch the previous video for that, okay? I realize that I do spend a lot of time talking and reflecting. I will not do that today. And I will just go ahead and jump into reading about Obwolto. Obwolto is the sub-clan within the Pajok clan of the Acholi people of present-day South Sudan. Okay. Yesterday we read about Buddha. Today we are reading about Obwolto. Okay. Obwolto is also one of the subgroups within the Pajok Lacam territories. Okay. Please tell your friends about the show. If you're watching, if you follow, tell your family members. Please share widely if you can. Okay. I do speak or give an introduction in Acholi and sometimes in English. I do all the readings in Acholi because the text book or the research I'm reading is in Acholi only. So after each reading, I tend to give a commentary in English for our audience who do not understand Acholi. Some of our Luo people may understand some words in Acholi, but for the non-Luo followers or non-Acholi followers, I do try to give a summary, a brief summary in English at the end. Okay, so we're just going to jump right into reading about Obwolto, okay? La chojo choni ngani, ni dano mi Obwolto tiegi dok ot matino at beach, magina ye jo pa king, jo pa kongo, ka jo opio, jo pa ogwang, gi pa toho, okay? And if you're from this subgroup or subclan, please send me a DM or private message if you want to give any clarification or commentary about what I'm reading. You can also join the show if you want to be a guest so we can discuss what I'm reading about Obwolto. Okay, it's a very short one-page reading on Obwolto. Okay. You can also leave a comment under any video that you may see, and then I'll be able to get back to you so we can have you on as a guest, or even if you just want to leave a comment, whether privately or under each video, you could do that as well. Okay? But you're chatting about Obwolto, ningo, Jopo King, Gi Jopo Pio, Tekwar mi Pajok, what you need, Jopo King, Gi Jopo Pio. Gino bino gi lokoro ikinwaha apara boro gi piera bongwen Gin o maho, I'm sorry, gin o woro kachiel gi jo la mo gi jo patanga. Chi jo opia e karma gin tie kabino gi lokoro la dit opia aye obedo la tela megi. Ka imiro nyang mabe kid ma jo po king gi jo po opia oworo kwere kwan wot pa jo pajok gi e anyak ilobo Acholi. Okay, guys, if you need more readings or clarification, there's another source, another book you can read. It's called Wot Pajo Pajok Gi Anyak Ilobo Acholi. Okay, this is where some of the information is coming from as well regarding Obwolto in this textbook. Okay, it's based on research. Apo Amatek. Okay, ko joining on. Jo Pao Kongo, kono, te kwarmi pajok, wajuni, dok ot pa jo Pao Kongo, obino gi ipalabeg, padwat. Okay? Gin opoga iye ario, dano mokene odong ipalabeg, present day Uganda, ka dano mokene kono obino ipajok in present day not Sudan, but now present day South Sudan. Okay, kar mo cha book in a no pori Sudan ti ache. Okay, so it gibino ge kono mokeno kono bino e pajok present day South Sudan. Okay, don wajene look mi kaka pori tie matek ikin jo pa okonga matie e pajok ge jo pa okonga ma odong chen ipalabek pa dwat. Okay. Okay. Lok ma o weho jopo kongo mi pa joko bino kwere Sudan, wan pe wangeo, ento te kwara pa choli wajoni. La dit o kongo a ye o kelo dano, mangi i palabek, gino nongo, nge ne ginying ni jopa dwat, ento i karma gino o e pajok luak man o lungo kumgi ni jopo kongo jopo kong matien loke ni dana pa o kongo nyo luak pa kongo is another way magi wajo ke lo diro mi pajok mo kena wajo ni jopo kongo o bino o nongo dano mi pajok dong tie I ayaji. Okay, kinamagi bino dano mo tie ayaji. Okay, now for those pessimists or naysayers, the community 20, they often want to know all the details. So pay close attention. Ninga, jopo kongo, magi bino gino jopa jok mo no ngiti ayaji. Some of you guys are asking about Paleon, Ayaji, and other places. Mono pori ba summarize, okay? Gibino no jopa jok mo no ngiti ayaji, okay? Take note. Apo. Gino danti ayaji. Ento dana mokene wajani jopo kongo obino nongo luak mi pajok poritie I polila. Okay, some people were in Nayaji, some were in polila. Okay. Ka polila nyo polela. Polela. Okay. Polela nyo polela. Okay, correct me on the pronunciation because I remember Mamu nyo porere. No, let me not discuss that now. Anyways, ngiti polela. Okay. Te kwara mi pa jog wajani wrote ogwak o jolo luak pa okongo. No, wrote ogwok o jolo jopa okongo mabe ka omia bodgi ngom gin dong o gera ikum dana mi Obwolto. No dana mi Obwolto dong tie kinyamano jopa okongo tie bino ne. Gigera kum dana mi Obwolto do. Ata gina ma jo Obwolto do. Anyways, if you have any information about this, please drop your comments. Because see, when you join Jopo Kongo, gibi bino. Hagi bino don't give bino gino Obwolto giger kum Obwolto. I thought they were the Obwolto people. Okay. I guess gibi rebe give better one people because Jomo no gin kuya no gi lung kum gini Obwolto. Kadoko Jomo mo bino la chain group mo matina tina menagi ger kum Obwolto give better one group to Obwolto. Okay. Yala. Jopo Gwen. Jopo Gwen. Kono, ochone nga. Dana mi pajok pengeo kama Jopo Gwen obino gien. Gigu marach ikarama atie kawot ikin luak mi acholi. Matie ka yenyo lok mi te kwar mi achoya i bukman. Pe arware ikum dana mi dok ot pa Jo Ogwen. Okay, this is also the first time I'm hearing about Jo Ogwen mi Obwolto. Okay, I've never heard of it before, mainly because I'm younger, and I didn't grow up home. Okay, so ni and men be about Jo Ogwen, you Jo Ogwen born no Jo Ogwen. Okay, ento te kwar mi pa jog watching la did Ogwen a ye okay la luak man e pa jog man a ye gema o we hotin dano mi dog on man olungo kumgini jo pa Ogwen matien loke ni dano nyo luak pa Ogwen. Okay, mi po kwere ikom la tela Maggie mi achia. Okay, Ogwen mo kelogin Kenyo ipajok kagibi rara guess ikom jo Obwolto, but there's no source to back up this information. No Jonah Benedek. Okay, if you're from the subgroup now today, from the subgroup of Ogwen Mi Obwolto, please leave us a comment or send a DM so we can discuss. Maybe you can join us a guest. If you don't want to join us a guest, you can send us a private message and we can discuss it. Apo amatek, okay? Yala ikom lokwa jo patoho mi Obwolto. Patoho, okay? Ocho ni ngani. Te kwar pa chuli wajani. Dana mi patoho bino gi got. Patoho. Matie iyo bo. Gino ore pa jok ikin moha. Apara bon ngwen gi piera ngwen. Ma luak mi pa jok dong tie idok kulu atebi. Ruot o chieng anyura aye o jol luak mi patoho. Kao mi abot gi ngom. Gino gera bene ikom jo Obwolto. Okay? Te kwar mi obo wajani jo patoho o dak e pajok pien gin obedo dano ma kumgi wach. Ka kwinyo kinyu mana ye gin ma oweho kech odonyo bodgi i ot. Ma omede no mo medo gi riemo mo medo gi riemo gin wa i pajok i moa apar bongwen i piera ngwen. Okay. Dana mi acholi duchu ngeo mabe ni ka kech oporo ilobo dano no dana mi acholi ngeo mabe ni ka kech oporo ilobo dana mi gang acholi mukene ni tuero to gi kech ento dano mi obo peto ata gi kech pien kinyo duong itim obo. What is kinyo? Can you please drop a comment and let me know? Kinyo ni ngani. Okay, ni kinyo duong your boss so get target keko. Kinyo. Is that a type of plant, a type of food? Lo kunya. Micham. Ni jo patoro kum gibot gitimoko so gimbira ni gicham gi kum jomo mi obo ria magena kagere ngai pajok gichi gere kum Obwolto. Okay? Te kwar pa chul bene wajani ikarmi ke dana mi pajok palwa magui omeo agoro Afrika gi panikwara nakajuigin chiro kachaga onyo choro kinyo yobo. So most people survive gi kinyo mati yobo. Okay, the yobo people love to eat that, I guess, if that's the kinyo that I'm thinking, unless if it's kinyo mokene. Yala munu gi mokonya dana gina cage karma cage tie. My understanding of kinyo, according to what my older sisters are telling me, is that kinyo tiedo is kind of like sukuma, but catch. Okay, where you have to cook it because catch tie my catch. Kono tira te ya ko lenga gumuno ni tie my catch. Drop your comments if this is what they're talking about. Okay, I've never had this kinyo before, but if you've had it, I'm sure Jumati Gangpur Chamo. Let me know what it's like. Michama Kenya. Munu gi mo konya dani cage. Yo bo, iwi Leb Acholi weng. Pole, donga di yo bo, dani chiri yo bo ka chokane. Ki yo bo. So patok ma kungi bot, yo ria mungin getting away di pajok. Cause kungi bot ka konya Kenya, gimeran gi champa dano. So ge ria mungin gi chiri pajok, gi get kum jo Obwolto. Okay, apo matek. So mana chojo cho look mingo, team gi got Obwolto. Okay, giti team, giti got iti pajok wala gi peke o mia ja mia na remember gi bina gi obo. So la chojo choni ngoni. Te kwaro mi pajok wachini jo Obwolto tie gi team achiel keken magi luongo team la digi. Latin mi dok ot pa pio aye koro chiriba ma team man ena ye ma yubo team man. Jo Obwolto tiegi got achiel magi lungo la got aluru. Gin bene tiegi jok. Gitigi jok achiel magi lungo jok labot onyom. Oh, I heard about this. Jok labot onyom. That's jok pa Jo Obwolto. I didn't know that. Jok labot onyom. Okay. Kai imiro niang lokma dok ikom jok laboronyom Kwan du mi adek jok laboronyom. So I'm gonna go back to chapter 3 after I Kwan look me again. Look me clan money ha. Achira Kwan look me ngane jok laboronyom jok in munu jok pa Jo Obwolto. Yala got tugi ngo got aloro munu got tugi. All right, get team match chill. At least give no put it like 12 minutes get team. You get no team. Your mama give no boy no team. Mira get wela. Okay. So look me Obwolto Gikan is very short and sweet. Maybe because the writer was not able to gain enough information or find enough information from elders Gigang, because remember he's been doing this research for 20 to 30 years. It is Sudan, Uganda, or Wurakawere for so many years can know information and research. Logi elders, your artifacts, your texts, which are book any. Again, he had a hard time finding more information about Jo Obwolto, finding elders by Jomi Obwolto, Gisab Grumi Obwolto, me find more information with your book any. So it's very short. Guide me Obwolto, we'll leave comment minute. We join platform in to discuss kamo binogi kamo saria. Look mucho kanmani ute group in Martino Tina Yala Mogo Bino Konogi Lokar Mogo Binogi Obone. If you can confirm the information, then we would really appreciate it. Okay, any Tina geek look man kanye look me Obwolto Kwan any. Look me beat no amira me meranegi look me Obwolto because look pa biri been a chick. I don't know if I should record separately or I should metal look pa biri kanye. Since it's only 17 minutes. Biri is only about 2 pages. Remember last time I had guests Mingani, me Biri, Olanya Paul, okay, from Biri. He gave us some information about Kamagi Bino Gekuna Lamo, Gekuya Bino Malo. Then I think Parmi Chaka. I made a corner 2 pages. Lakini, I will join back the live in Kwano Biri. And I pour my tech, who subscribe and share, like, comment, whatever. Okay, I pour. Please join me again. I'm about to read about Biri.